Taylor Swift with Style, 99.1 Mike FM. Good morning to you. 8:49 on a great Wednesday in God's great, beautiful Texas Hill Country. May the 4th be with you.
And also with you.
And it's been pretty much Star Wars themed all morning here on the show. I'm wearing my Baby Yoda shirt today in honor of May the 4th, National Star Wars Day. All right, so, there's something really cool, and we've talked to them a few times about this. There's a company called Jason's Water. And they had the first water softener certified for softening and filtration in one single tank. We're here with Emily. Emily, tell us about this.
Well, good morning.
Yeah,
nice
good
to
morning.
See you guys today.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, so years ago, Jason started in business back in the 70s. And back then, everyone just had water softeners. But then we realized, why do water softeners gum up your plumbing, come through your pipe? Why does that media break down? And it's because of the chlorine in the water. So he had the foresight years ago to be the first man on the market to create a multimedia system that's tested to be certified softening and filtration, because you soften your water, which is good. You want to take care of your appliances.
Yeah.
But then you drink bottled water, or you put an RO at the kitchen sink, right? Because you want to drink the good stuff. You don't want to drink the chemicals. Well, if you really dig a little bit deeper, if you're going to drink the good stuff and still bathe in soft water or bathe in tap water, you're still getting the chemicals through your body. Right? We've got skin pores. It's very absorbent.
Our skin's like a sponge. It soaks up everything.
Everything. So to just have soft water softeners are pretty obsolete with today's water issues. We have so much chlorine and chemicals that treat the water, which we need that. We need that treatment. We need to kill the bad stuff.
But it kind of like I've gotten water out of my faucet before, and I'm like, is this pool water that's coming in here or what? You know?
Absolutely. Yeah, the rule of thumb is you can either be a filter or get a filter, right?
I like that. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you don't want to be the filter. You want to get the filter. But when getting the filter, what we find is a lot of customers are getting a water softener. They back that with these little cartridges, like 20-inch or 10-inch carbon cartridge that you have to maintain every 6 months. And that is just a pain. No one wants to maintain that. It's costly to do that as well. So with the Jason's product, we have one tank that does it all. We do water softening media. We top that with a whole bed of activated coconut shell carbon. So now you don't only drink the water, you bathe, wash, clean. Everything chemical-free water throughout the entire home.
That is incredible. Yeah. All in one tank.
All in one tank, which is why we also get to offer a lifetime warranty, because I know my softener media is not going to die. So we offer a lifetime warranty for our products as well.
What is that thing that's called is it called a loop that people need to have? You can take care of the loop too, right?
Yeah, so whenever you're building your home, or if you move into a home, oftentimes people see a loop in the back of the garage where the plumbing has been pulled out of the wall for a water softener to become attached to. And they call us and say, we've got a loop, we're good to go. But then sometimes customers will call and say, I really want a water softener, but I don't have plumbing set up. And that's okay, because we've got a master plumber. All we need to do is find the main water line. With or without a loop, we can still take care of you. So don't let that be the deciding factor to stay on hard water. We can find the line, we can make the connection, and we can make you happy.
And with a master plumber on board, that means that all codes are...
Yeah, well, not only the master plumber on board, the connectivity will meet code, but as far as our product goes, our product is tested to meet code. So you have a lot of water softeners out there that are just way too small. You get them, you think you saved some money, or maybe you spent, $9,000, $10,000. Don't let the price justify the quality of the product. You have to look for testing. If it's a water softener, softeners have to be tested by NSF 44. That is the test we take from a standpoint of integrity to let you know as the consumer at what rate we can clean. And that rate that we clean has to match what your home's demand is.
That is crazy. Now, how does this affect your home warranty?
Well, whenever you install a water softener, it has to meet your International Residential Code. It has to meet your local plumbing code. And in your home warranty, it will tell you if you attach items to your home, auxiliary items such as a water softener, that do not sustain your builder code, it will ruin your home's warranty. So if you have a dishwasher and it doesn't fill up all the way with your water, and you call your warranty and they're going to say, well, hold on, my dishwasher works. You have a restriction in the garage where your water softener is. So if the water softener is undersized, it's restricting your flow, it will affect your home warranty.
That's why you want to go with somebody that has been in the business since 1979 and they know what they're doing.
Yep.
I mean, Jason's is number one. What makes Jason's number one?
Well, not only are we number one because we have the lifetime warranty, we have a multimedia softening filtration system, but we have taken the steps and invested time with engineers to not only test our product, but test it to meet the plumbing code. It's all about meeting the UPC or the ICC plumbing code. Your home is built to it. Your water treatment system also needs to be built to that as well.
You guys also have an inline alkaline filter.
We do. So many times people, whenever you get a reverse osmosis or a drinking filter under the sink, what is happening is it's going through a paperless fiber media filter that is removing all the minerals in the water. When you strip down all the minerals, your water becomes acidic. So if you have just a basic RO, reverse osmosis, your water technically is acidic. It's at a pH of around 5 parts per million. 5 is your pH number. That's acidic. So when you have an RO, if you are concerned about that high pH, you can add from our office an inline alkaline filter, which will now choose the good minerals to redeposit, raising that pH up to about a 9 to 11. People spend big money for that water, and you can get it with our system under your sink at no cost.
That is incredible. Jason's number one, and jasonswatersofteners.com. The number is 833-966-PURE. That is 833-966-PURE. One more thing. You know, with different size houses in the Texas Hill Country, we have a lot of different size houses. You have smaller houses from 1,000 square feet up to several thousand square feet. How does someone know what size of system to buy?
Well, we can come out and analyze that for you, or you can go to our website. It's based on the amount of bathrooms. If you have a 3-bathroom home, a 4-bathroom home, the demand of water based on the bathroom count, not the square footage, not the amount of people, but based on the bathroom count requires a demand of around 21 gallons per minute. So it's all based on that plumbing code that was set when your home was built. So a 3-bathroom home requires 21 gallons per minute. You've got to be sure that water system you're attaching can service, clean, and push 21 gallons a minute. And that's the disconnect. Homeowners don't know that fundamental concept. They get a system that can only clean 9 gallons a minute, and now they're only paying for partial good water. That
is incredible. All right, 833-966-PURE is the 833 number. jasonswatersofteners.com. Remember that number. It starts with 833 and then 966-PURE. 833 then 966-PURE. jasonswatersofteners.com. Thank you so much, Emily, for coming in this morning and talking about this.
Yeah.
As always, and may the 4th be with you.
Thank you.
In the heart of peach and wine country lies an infusion of Tex-Mex and barbecue.